Okay, y'all. Today is 1-1-1-1-1. Alright. My wish is um what is my wish? To like oh my computer's froze. To like be famous and stuff. That's pretty much my wish. I gotta clear my glasses. Why is my computer freezing? Must be cold. I'm watching Ridiculous. It's like a great show. I'm always watching TV when I'm talking to y'all. That's so strange. Well, anyway, it's ringtones. I don't know. Oh, y'all, I forgot to tell y'all. Today was tacky day at my school. At my school, right? Woohoo! And I just tacky. Y'all want to see it? Y'all don't want to see it. Y'all want to see it.
Exclusive. You already know what time it is. Hood Hard Radio. DJ Aries, the Incredible Hulk. Hey, it's going down major. K Stylist, Kansas City, ACL. Hey, we need all the ladies put your hands in the air one time like this right here. Hey.
Woo. Okay. Y'all, what's up? Well, today was taking tomorrow's Spirit Day. I'm with all blue and white. I'm gonna color my face and everything. I'm gonna take a picture of it and post it on my Twitter or whatever. My Twitter and my Facebook. Y'all check out my Facebook. They're gonna be famous by this. Oh, and Twitter, love for Jaden Smith 1. Please follow me. I need more followers. No, that's like follow in the word follower, but it's just an ER. My computer froze again. I'm gonna put a blanket on my computer. I'm just put my pillow pit. No, my snuggie. I'm gonna snuggie on my computer. See if it'll warm it up so it'll stop freezing. There's a crayon in my bed. I have no idea how I got there. And I just got home, so. Alright. Are you serious? Stuff popping up on my computer. Ugh. Well, y'all heard my wish. Y'all follow me on Twitter. Like I said, the 4 Jaden Smith 1. And, like me on Facebook, please. Which is, they're gonna be famous. Valley Rivers. Now this is Ringtone. Signing off for the final time. Deuces.